Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Coldwell Banker for home valuation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Coldwell Banker website. Look for the search bar located prominently on the home page. Type in your desired location where the property is situated. Click on the search icon or press enter to explore available listings. Once the results display, navigate to the Home Valuations section. You may find this option in the menu or as a tab on the page. Select the Home Valuation link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter details about your property. Input your property type, square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Provide your address and any other required information accurately. After entering the information, click on the Get Value button. This action will initiate the valuation process. In a few moments, a market analysis will be generated. Review the estimated home value presented on the screen. You may also find information about comparable properties in your area. Take note of the data regarding recent sales and current listings. This insight helps contextualize your home's value within the market. If you require a more personalized evaluation, consider connecting with a Coldwell Banker agent. You can find contact options to reach out directly. An agent will assist you in understanding the valuation further. Feel free to ask specific questions about the report you received. Once you have all the information, decide on your next steps. Whether selling, buying, or refinancing, now you're better informed about your property's value. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.